Look at just how comfy that looks.
Oh my gosh.
I'm obsessed.
Cute.
Oh my gosh.
These are my go-to after practice.
I'm actually obsessed with these.
Super clean, looks super comfortable.
Really comfortable, and they look good.
I feel like that's gonna feel so nice on my feet when I'm walking around.
These are by far the comfiest slides I've ever worn.
These will be my go-to. I am obsessed with these.
I will be getting these in more colors.
As soon as the cleats come off, I throw in the most comfortable slides out there.
Super comfortable, super sick. Go ahead, check out ISlide and get a pair for yourself.
Whoop!